medal. Boys under 40. Short put. Ravinata, Sajpreet Singh, Dheeraj Sahu, Harshit Kumar. Medal presentation by Sri Dr. Narendra Moh, ex-Joint Secretary, Haryana Olympic Association. Secretary General, Rugby Association, Haryana. As of name, Sri Sohan Singh, Associate Joint Secretary, Athletics, Haryana. The gold medal goes to Harshit Kumar, Mahindergarh. Distance taken covered by 14.58 meter. Ladies and gentlemen, the silver medal goes to Dheeraj Sahu, Charkhi Dadri. Distance cover 14.92 meter. Ladies and gentlemen, the gold medal winner, the under 40 boy short put, Sajpreet Singh from Sirsa, 15.16 meter. Congratulations, athletes.